Most people think you need a paid ChatGPT subscription or a high-end PC to start an online business in 2026. They're wrong. Today, I'm showing you 3 side hustles that cost exactly $0 to start and can be fully automated. One is AI-powered ghostwriting for LinkedIn. Executives are desperate for thought leadership but have no time. Using the free version of Claude 3.5, you can turn a 2-minute voice note from a client into a viral post. 2. Building theme pages for local businesses. Small businesses need TikToks and Reels but don't know how to edit. You can use free tools like CapCut Desktop and Pexels to create 30-second clips that they'll pay $50 a pop for. Finally, hustle number 3, Notion templates. AI can now write the formulas for you. You build a second brain or budget tracker once and sell it forever on Gumroad. Stick around, because I'm about to show you the one free AI tool that actually replaces a $2,000 per month video editor. If you want the full list of tools mentioned today, check the next video. Don't forget to subscribe to Grow Passive Tube to build your digital empire. See you in the next one.